How to fix USB Type-C earphones not detected in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on sort and filter option and turn on show system apps option and then click on OK. Now search here Samsung USB-C headset. Now click on this option and now here you can force stop this. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After force stop, then go back and click on USB settings and then scroll down and click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache of USB settings. After clear cache, then your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down in last and here you can see the option developer options. Now click on it and then click on USB audio routing. Now click on USB audio routing, disable. Make sure you turn off this button. If you turn on this button, then turn it off. After turn off this button, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.